Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can look at the old maps. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step and just follow me guys, and if you have any problem or any query, just let me know in the comment section right away. So firstly, what you need to do is, on your bottom you'll be having this option, this person option, which is street view. Just press on it and just go to any location. So let me just choose this particular location and I'll be over here. Or let's say, let me just choose another location like this. And then if you want to have an older view of it or older map, over here you'll be having option which says see more dates. Just go over here, and then the least it shows is 2011. So in 2011 it looked like this. So that's how you look at the old maps. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.